let's minimize the channel controller and let's open up a few more sequences here. There we go, there's 2 sequences. Let's go with another one. There we go, and one more. I can have up to 4 channels, 4 sequences loaded. There we go, there's a 4th one. So now as you can see, I've got 4 sequences loaded. But now I've got Amazing, Bells, Box Dancer, and Jingle Bells. What I need to do then is bring up my software again, and this is where these 4 boxes come into play. I need to open up, click here, and the first one is Amazing, so let's select Amazing. So now I get Amazing in the first sequence box. If I go to the next one, I'll bring up Bells, and the next one, which I'll put in Dancer, and the 4th one, which is Jingle Bells. Okay, now after doing this, I can now move into sequence mode. So if I push the D key, which you'll see here, we'll go from channel mode,
sequence mode,
the software
Amazing active.
Now see, it basically is now it's saying, like before it said there was nothing. Now it's in sequence mode. It knows I've got a sequence loaded in there, and it's telling me that Amazing, which is the name of my Vix file, is now active. So what I'm going to do is move my software out the way. I guess first I'll show you the C key. What that does is I can shuffle between the 4 setup sequences. So if I push the C key now,
pause, Amazing.
Oh, sorry, wrong key. Let's go A key.
Bells active.
Now you'll see it shifts down to Bells and tells me Bells is now the active sequence.
Box Dancer active.
Now it tells me the Box Dancer is now active.
Jingle Bells active.
Now it tells me the sequence Jingle Bells is now active. Now let's go back up to Amazing.
Amazing active.
Now that I've got Amazing active, if I move this slightly out the way, because what will happen is if I push B key, which is toggles play and pause on Amazing,
play Amazing,
play Amazing, oops, tell me. Sequence starts. You'll see the controller's going. And let that fire up a little bit. So my B key is start and stop. Let's get it happening. Controller's going nuts. Now I'm at this point, if I push the C key, I can actually pause the sequence. There we go.
Pause Amazing.
Now it's told me it's paused Amazing. Now if I push the play button, play stop button again.
Play Amazing.
Play Amazing. Picks up where it left off. Now I can pause that. Now this could obviously be test sequences.
Pause Amazing.
Pause Amazing. Hit the play button.
Play Amazing.
Play Amazing. Now if I want to move to a different sequence, I can push the A key. Let's go to
bells active,
it's telling me now bells is active. I can move one down more.
box dancer active,
Box dancer. So now I've got box dancer as the active sequence. I can hit play.
play box dancer,
Box dancer comes to the foreground. It's telling me it's got access denied. We won't worry about that. And now box dancer starts.
The most famous classic in all the world of music.
And the controller. And I can pause it. Pause it.
pause box dancer,
Tells me it's paused box dancer. So you can see every single function in it. Tells me exactly what it's doing. And I can play it again from where it left. Pick up from where I left off.
play box dancer,
Play box dancer. And pause it again.
pause box dancer,
And play.
play box dancer,
And I can stop it.
stop box dancer,
Now it's stop box dancer will now, when I hit play again, it'll default back to the start of the sequence.
play box dancer,
So and back to the channel.
The most famous classic in all the world of music.
Pause. Let's get. There we go. Let's pause the sequence
pause box dancer,
and play.
pause box dancer, play box dancer,
And pause.
pause box dancer,
Change to a different sequence.